In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free PayPal debit card and start using it right away. The PayPal Cash Card, which is their debit card, comes with no sign-up fee and can be requested directly from your PayPal account. To get started, log into your PayPal account either through the app or on the website. Once you're logged in, head over to the PayPal debit card section or simply search for Cash Card within the app. From here, you'll see the option to request your card. Tap or click on it and PayPal will ask you to confirm your personal information like your name, address, and date of birth. You also need to make sure your PayPal account is verified, which means linking a bank account or confirming your identity if you haven't already done so. This step is important because PayPal won't ship the card until your account is verified. After submitting your request, PayPal will process it and mail the debit card to your home address. It usually arrives within 7 to 10 business days. Once you receive it, you'll need to activate the card by following the instructions included in the envelope, either online or through the PayPal app. The great thing about this card is that it connects directly to your PayPal balance, so you can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted, whether it's online or in stores, at no extra cost. There's no fee to request the card and no monthly maintenance fee, which makes it completely free to get and use. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily get your free PayPal debit card and start spending your PayPal balance just like cash. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.